Hello! It's pouring rain outside and I'm doing this video because the other video about my postcards that I made unfortunately doesn't have a very good audio. So I hope this one has a clear audio on it. I hope you can hear my voice. So while it's pouring rain outside, I hope this video still have my voice in here loud and clear. So as I have said, one of my hobbies before was collecting postcards from around the world. Yes, you can still collect postcards from all over the world without traveling. You don't need to go to places to collect postcards, or you don't need to actually have people who know you that live on those places to actually get a postcard from another country. So here I'm gonna show you a few of my favorite postcards in my collection. Okay, let's start. I'm going to read the message to you one by one. I'll just cover the address, my address. Here, this one is from US. Dated February 26, 2020. Hi Claire, I too work in an office. My husband and I own a small heating and cooling company. My chocolate Labrador named Chief comes to work with me daily. A lot of the other office workers have doggy treats at their desk for him. Ha ha ha. From Karen. So thank you so much, Karen, for your beautiful postcard with beautiful stamp all the way from Dismal Canyons, Alabama. This one is from where do you think this one comes from? Let's read the message. Dear Claire, I am a librarian and love to read and travel. I collect mice and rats, and my collection is in the Guinness Book of Records. I got a little dog from an animal shelter called Zappy, and I volunteer in the hospital to take books to the patients. Many greetings from Krista. Wow, that's really cool, Krista. I think this is from Germany, right? The stamp is so nice. The stamps are very nice. And look at the front. Thank you so much, Krista, for sending me your postcard and telling me a little something about your interesting life. And thank you for your volunteer works at the hospital. This one, look, it's so cute. From Czech Republic. Let's read the message. Yay! I don't wear my glasses, so November Pares swap. Oh, this is from the Philippines too. And look at her handwriting. It's so cute. Jeepney. Hi, Miss Claire. I hope this mail finds you well. I'm happy to mail to you. I hope that you'll like this card and also enjoy the stamps. I hope that this will reach you fast and safe. Always take care and stay healthy. Sending you hugs. This is from Ayn. Yes, I remember this. Uh, this is a Facebook group of Filipino postcard and stamps collectors. Sorry about my fingernails. They're dirty. I just done cooking sauteed kangkong. Ginisang kangkong, that's a vegetable. This one, like, let's read the message. This is from the US in New York. Hey Claire, I'm writing from my apartment in New York where I'm still trying to stay safe, sane, and do what I can for my family in Kentucky. The only person I see the only person I see often is my physical therapist that I adore who is from Manila. Wow, cool. We compare food. I've lived in Indonesia, horror movies, and anything keeping us safe. Best, Sean. So this is from Sean, and obviously he wrote it in the time of COVID during the lockdowns. And I really like this stamp, so cool. So thank you so much, Sean. If you can watch this video, please comment if, because I really like this postcard that you sent me. Thank you so much, and I hope wherever you are right now, it's 2024, and I hope you're really doing well in your life right now. So Sean, thank you. This one, another one from New York, and it's a loop paper. It's actually a set of postcards. Loop paper, they have all the complete 50 states of New York, and I was looking forward to collecting all the 50 states, but unfortunately I had to stop this hobby for a while because life happened. Let's read the message. So this was in 2021. Thank you for joining my RAK. R-A-K, it means random act of kindness. Some postcard collectors do this, just randomly picking out people to send the postcard to. It means random act of kindness. Raffles, it's a raffle. I joined on a raffle and I won. Always a joy to share postcards, more so with folks back home. She's from the Philippines and she lives in New York. It makes me feel as though I'm getting these myself. I go home every year but miss 2020 because of COVID. Maybe end of the year, stay safe there and look forward to more pieces always. Can you read her handwriting? I forgot. But this is from Dina of New York. She lives and works in New York, but she's a Filipina. She's originally from Manila. So thank you so much, Miss Dina, for your beautiful postcards and your beautiful handwriting. This one, look, I don't know how to pronounce this. So let's read the message. Hi Claire, greetings from the north. I'm Elisa from Finland. I'm well, have many friends and much to do. Retired and divorced teacher living alone in a small green town, Sastamala. I like hiking, dancing, swimming, gardening, and Ivaskayla, a town where I'm studying. Stay well and brave, Elisa. Thank you so much, Elisa, for your pretty postcards with this pretty stamp and your life, sharing me something about your life too. I hope you're doing well now. It's 2024. You sent me this postcard in 2021 because I started collecting postcard in 2020, early 2020, and COVID happened. You know, COVID has changed a lot of things in our lives. Oh, this one, another one from New York. Another one from Miss Dina also. Thank you, Miss Dina. I really like the postcards that I received from you and your beautiful handwriting. Hi, Claire. Welcome to PCPH. Wow. This is me joining Post Crossing Philippines, a group of Filipinos who are into collecting postcards and stamps from all over the world. So I hope you're feeling better and things are getting easier. Please don't ever hesitate to ask if you have any questions. Join the swaps. Yes, I did join the swaps. So this is from Miss Dina, who is from New York, a Filipino. This one is from Havasu Falls, Grand Canyon from the US. Hi, Claire. Thank you for swapping with me. Havasu Falls is about 4 to 5 hours from Phoenix, then another 10-mile hike each direction to from the falls. They only allow so many people a year to hike. Permits sell out fast, but looks beautiful. Hope you can visit one day. What's her name? From Postcard Exchange. This is from another Facebook groups. Um, so thank you. What's her name? From Melanie. That's her name, Melanie Venters. Thank you so much, Melanie. I really hope I can visit this place too. It sounds interesting and pretty. Thank you for your postcard. This is from India. Yay! This is also one of the first postcards that I received when I started collecting. And I suggest that if you love also to revive the lost art of writing, you can consider postcard collecting as a hobby. You just have to create an account in postcrossing.com. Your name and your address, of course, you have to put it there. And your interest, the kind of postcards that you want to receive. If you want flowers, or if you want food, if you want movies, you can put it there. So if somebody picks up your account, they have options what kind of postcards you love to receive. So let's read the message. Dear Claire, Taj Mahal, one of the wonders of the world, is in India. Yes, most of the tourists visiting India visits their marble. So wonderful to see during daylight and moonlight as well. Must visit. Yeah, must visit. Thank you so much, PV. Yay, he wrote the postcard on my birthday, 7/7/2020. Yes, I remember this. This is from Instagram. This is from Instagram Swap. You can join. There are so many people on Instagram and Facebook that are into collecting postcards. So if you want to collect postcards as a hobby, please, please, please. It's really nice. You won't regret it. Okay, this one from Europe, from Budapest. From Budapest. Where is Budapest? Is it in Hungary? Is it in Hungary? Let's read the message. He wrote this, or she, on the 28th of May 2021. Hi Claire, I'm very happy to swap with you this card and show a bit of lovely Budapest, a classic Central European city that I hope you have the chance to visit one day. Yes, I dream to visit Europe someday. And thank you for this beautiful postcard. Look, there's a bridge and beautiful buildings, blue waters. Move to another loop paper from Arizona, USA. Hello Claire, kamusta? Uy, marunong siya mag-Tagalog. She speaks Tagalog. I was born in Quezon City and moved to the US when I was 8 years old. That was a long time ago. Yeah, what year was that? I still understand some Tagalog. My mom was born in Corregidor. Regards, Lina. Yes, Lina, I remember. This was in Instagram. We exchanged postcard via Instagram. Thank you so much, Lina. I still remember our exchange of messages in Instagram, and I remember how kind you are. And this one is from Ohio. Let's read the message. Ohio joke from my 7-year-old. This morning I tripped while carrying my breakfast. It was waffle from Krista. This is from a Facebook group exchange. Let's read the joke again. This morning I tripped while carrying my breakfast. It was waffle. Krista. I didn't get the joke, but I laughed anyway because she said it's a joke. It was waffle. I think of waffle as the food, but maybe it also means like a verb. Let's look at I'll look at the dictionary later. I mean at the Google later. Look at the stamp. It's so pretty. Look. Thank you so much, Krista, for a beautiful postcard with beautiful stamp and your joke also. Did you hear that? That's the normal sound in my neighborhood. Hey, this one from Mickey and Daisy Ducks and Donald and Minnie Mouse. Let's read the message. Hey, hey, look at her handwriting. Look at her handwriting. Can you see that? Oh, this is from my PCPH Facebook group exchange. Look at her handwriting. Oh, from Sarita Chu. Today, hello Claire. Today I second to see the last of school. Tapos summer break na. She said she wrote this on the second to the last day of her school and before the summer break. So she had the time to write postcards. So Sarita is a student by this time. She was a student when she wrote this message. Look, oh, how beautiful, how pretty her handwriting is. I think she also drew this. Wow. And how she carefully arranged the stamps. I really like this one. Thank you so much, Sarita. If you just happen to find this video, I love your postcard. Thank you so much. This one, I don't know how to read this. Oh, very soon. Let's read the message. Hello, Claire. Greetings from southern Norway. My name is Inger and I live in a small place with approximately 11,000 inhabitants. We have a beautiful archipelago here. Best wishes, Inger. Inger. From Norway. Wow. Thank you so much, Inger, for your nice postcard, and your handwriting is pretty too. This one, an illustrated card from Amsterdam in the Netherlands. I'll read the message. Hello, thank you very much for this swap. Another card for my collection, a touristic card of interesting places to visit in my country. Anita. Her name is Anita from Netherlands, the Netherlands. Look at the stamps. They're so pretty. Thank you so much, Anita, for your lovely postcard. Hey, let it be. I love the Beatles. I think I added the Beatles as my interest in my post crossing profile. Let me just stretch my feet. And let's read the message. Hello, Claire. Greetings from the what? Home of the Beatles, Liverpool, England. Yay! There's so many sites in this uh, city dedicated to the Fab Four. In addition, this is a historically important port, and it was named European capital of, I don't understand, 2008. I hope you like this card. Yes, regards, Ronan. Yes, Ronan. Thank you so much for your card because I love the Beatles. They're so young in here. And I also indicated in my profile and my post-crossing account that I love Marvel heroes. So let's read the message. Hi Claire, I'm Kevin from Japan. I saw Superman within your preferences in your profile. Yes, I chose this postcard which shows the illustration of Superman. I also like Marvels, but my favorites are Captain America and Spider-Man. I love Captain America too and Spider-Man. Wish you all the best. Happy post-crossing from Kevin. Thank you, Kevin, for the Superman man postcard. Hey, another one here is really cute. Look, look. Let's read the message. Dear Claire, my warmest greetings from Germany. You know, Germany, I think, is the country that has the most number of people in postcrossing.com. So there are so many Germans who love to collect and exchange postcards. I've got so many postcards from Germany in post-crossing. So they are beautiful. Look. Let's read the message. You like my little Christmas card? Yes, I do. I had looked for recipes for Christmas biscuit like on this card. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you, your family, God, and stay safe and healthy. Thank you so much, Monica. And the stamps are also pretty. She put stickers in here too. Look, the stamp is also very Christmas-like. You know, when I said I like Marvel, someone sent me Doctor Strange. I also love Doctor Strange. Let's read. Oh, this is from a post crossing. What's this? Meet up. They have a meet up. Members are also doing meetups. Those who love post crossing. So, even though you don't really interact with people, you have, you have an option to meet them personally if you are joining a very active group. I hear also that Post Crossing Philippines are doing meetups somewhere in Manila. So I really suggest that you would enjoy collecting postcards as a hobby. You would meet a lot of people, you would make friends who has the same interest as you. So yeah. Okay, let's read the message. Look, another one who has a pretty handwriting. Greetings from Kerala. This is from India, also known as God's own country. I'm pretty new to the community, so this is one of the first international postcards I'm sending out. Wow, I'm so lucky. I'm currently in my final year of law school. I've got online classes right now. The picture on the postcard is of the sambur, which is a large deer native to the Indian subcontinent. It is also called the Philippine deer. It is taken in Tekadi, which is an important tourist attraction in Kerala. Thank you so much for the swap. I'm really excited to receive your postcards. Yes, I remember. This is one of my first swaps in 2020. Look, her handwriting is really cute. The stamp is cute. And the postcard itself is beautiful. So that's it for for now. I have so many postcards and I just missed writing and receiving postcards. That's why I made this video. I hope to make another one if you like, if I like. So that's it for today. Take care. It's almost lunchtime. Bye bye.